Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use iRalo on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar, type in iRalo and search it up. So using it in both Android and iOS is very easy. Tap on the app, tap on this download icon, and let's get the app downloaded. Now let me tell you what iRalo is. Simply it is the eSIM travel engine, and as it has mentioned, it will give you an eSIM for you whenever you travel international countries, and it does have 200 countries, regions, and the local regions available for you to get the eSIM for. Now for the brief information regarding how you will be able to use and choose the state or the countries, like given there is a little given a preview of the video of how you will be able to use it, how you will be able to get the SIM and get the eSIM installed in your phone and use it for your communication purpose. Go ahead, tap on this video, and then you will be able to check it out, the information as of over here, and use it for the same purpose iRalo as step by step, and you will get your eSIM. And whenever travel you abroad, you will have your eSIM with you in your app for your communication purpose with no problem over there. That's basically what eSIM is for, and that's how you will be able to use on iOS and iPhone. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.